Hi, today in front of me HardReset and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the X-Icon Changer. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install and just wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app. Here you will see now all of the available applications on your device, and just if you want to change, for example, let's change the camera application. If you want to rename it, just click here to this edit name icon. Here we can see all of the available icons. We could use them. This library icons from the libraries. Also we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use the regular library default icons. Just tap on the right upper corner to OK. Now we should just keep the videos. Tap to the 6 icon and just click to add the shortcut to your home screen, so we could go to the desktop or change the next icon by the same way. So let's check our new camera icon. We can see here the new one and the default one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.